Good morning everyone, just a short video showing not a lot of action going on in the shed here, but a sticker swap. This video is about a sticker swap. So we'll do a bit of a pan around, and this is the shed, but more importantly this is the view outside. Beautiful Sunday morning here. The shed dogs are upstairs. There's the wheels, the rear rolls. The rest of the stuff for the roll is inside. Forklift, the handy forklift, absolutely fantastic machine. The workshop, sandblaster, welder, all that sort of stuff that you need in the workshop. Lathe, toolbox, milling machine, there's the boiler again. There's my YouTube channel, which you're watching this on now. But anyway, sticker swap time. Yes, let's put this right here. Get it set up like so. And that's not a very good picture, is it? Anyway, we'll do it like this. Most of you know, or a lot of people that watch channels like this, a lot of us YouTubers do a sticker swap with other channels to help promote each other, or just get our names out there to other people that may not come across us. And in this case, it's a shout out to Rusty Inventions. He sent his sticker over, and I've sent him my sticker in return. Well, actually it's not a sticker, it's a bit of a surprise for him. So I'll put the link to his channel in the description down below. Interesting gentleman over in the UK there. Very small workshop compared to this one, but he does some really interesting work, and bit of a different approach on maybe how you do things sometimes, or how he goes about his stuff. It's quite good. He sent me a nice little note, which I'll read to you. He says, "Hi Mark, thank you for contacting me for a sticker exchange. For me it's very important in this day and age to pass on knowledge and skills. It is dying at a very fast rate. Here's my sticker. Thanks, Rusty." And that's Mr. Rusty, that's his letter. There you go. Yeah, got a bit of a wobble up. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Rusty. I really appreciate the sticker swap, and you know, and the videos he puts out. I need to put out a few more videos. It's a bit few and far between, the videos that I do sometimes, but that's just the way things roll. But anyway, thanks everyone for watching. If you're interested in doing a sticker swap, drop me a line, contact me through here. That's easily done, and we'll get it sorted. Have a good weekend wherever you are in this part of the world. Have a good rest of your week. Thank you for tuning in and supporting what we do here on YouTube, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.